Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Jamaica's women's sprint trio will be looking to upstage the world champion, Olympic champion and world leader in a much-anticipated 100-meter battle in a few days' time at the World Championships in Tokyo, Japan. Denise Walters looks ahead.
New national champion Tina Clayton will lead the charge. The two-time world under 2100 meters champion is the only Jamaican woman running the individual event with a top 10 time this year, a personal best 10.81 seconds. That time ranks her third, behind world leader Melissa Jefferson Wooden 10.65 and Olympic champion Julian Alfred 10.75. Tina's series of runs this season also include 4 other sub-11 clockings: 10.91, 10.93, 10.98 and 10.99 seconds. Sharika Jackson's season's best 10.88 ranks her the next best Jamaican in the event based on time. That time lands her just outside the top 10 in 12th. Jackson, who has 2 silver medals in the Blue Ribbon event from Eugene 2022 and Budapest 2023, has raced sparingly this season over the event. Outside of the 3 rounds at the National Championship, she only has 2 other 100-meter races under her belt. And completing the trio is 5-time World 100 meters champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. At age 38, one of the greatest sprinters of all times will be bidding farewell at her 9th World Championships. Fraser-Pryce won gold in 2009, 2013, 2015, 2019, and also led a clean sweep in 2022 for an unprecedented 5th title. She also has individual bronze from Budapest. But this season, she has been a step behind the competition with her season's best, 10.91 seconds, ranking her joint 14th. Similar to Jackson, Fraser-Pryce, outside of the 3 rounds she did at the National Championship, only has 3 other 100-meter runs under her belt. TVJ's track and field analyst Warren Ware, however, is not giving up on the chance of a medal.
There's a change of guard now. We have some new face coming in, and they've gotten a lot of experience through the last 2 years, and that definitely will help them. Tina, I can definitely say she got a lot of experience this year running on the circuit. It's not all about us coming to the championship, but running on the circuit gives you some experience that you can use at the games.
But the trio will have Jefferson, Alfred, and world champion Shakira Richardson to contend with. Richardson has yet to show the form that won her the title in Budapest, having not broken 11 seconds this year. Alfred is looking to add the world title to her collection, and for the first half of the year, she didn't lose a race. But then she went head-to-head with Jefferson Wooden, who is also the Olympic bronze medalist, and tasted her first defeat to the sprinter, who is unbeaten this season. They share the top 9 times in the world this year, but Jefferson Wooden holds the edge with the top 3 times. But according to Ware, all of that goes out the window when they line up in the championships.
I definitely think we can get our foot wet there, get some medals. Regardless, people are run fast. They have to do it on the day. You know, any card can play in the championships. You have to be ready, mentally, physically, and I think we're at a good space.
The Tokyo World Athletics Championships will run from September 13 to 21 and can be seen live and exclusively on TVJ, TVJSN, OneSportsMedia.com with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Or coverage starts on September 12. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.